Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this absolute game changer of a grill handle light, and I've already installed it here in only 2 minutes. Was super easy. What I absolutely love are two special things here. When we push here, we can rotate it again and remove the light. You can see it can also work also like that. Here we have 2 different light levels, and it can work in a permanent mode when we long press for 3 seconds, but when we just click, you can see it's off but still active. And the absolutely awesome thing is when we attach it here, you can see how easy this is. And so when I open it now, you can see the light is on. Of course, during the day it's not so bright, but super bright in the evening, absolutely perfectly illuminating pretty much everything here. And it's so super robust, so super sturdy. It's even waterproof, has some additional child protection for the batteries. The 3 needed AA batteries are already included, and we get 2 attachments here. Usually the round one is perfect, but we get also this rectangle one, so it fits definitely perfectly for most Blackstone, Weber, and of course also pretty much any other grill like this one here. Yeah, for me a total game changer, makes grilling in the evening so much easier. Open with the light, close it, no light, and saving then the energy. You don't have to turn it fully off after that. Just don't worry about the grill light, just open light, close, no light. This is as easy as it gets. I haven't seen any better grill light so far. Of course, again, the batteries are a little bit difficult to replace and they are not rechargeable, but that's really the only trade-off I have found so far. I would say still my best grill light so far, there's no doubt about that. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Could be also the perfect gift. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this OatisLife Grill Light, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.